Boom. Roasted.
I just got back from Paris, baby. France, son, and I've never liked the French, I'll be honest with you. If you put 70 French people in front of me, I don't like them. They just, the way they're like, oh, yeah, yeah, no. They just, it sounds like, you just want to just pat them on the back, boy. I just want to spray paint my hand red, white, and blue and pat them bitches on the back and get the truth out of them. What are you trying to say? It sounds like Japanese, but they got their, but they're nasaled out or something. It sounds like somebody hit a bunch of cotton in a Japanese dude. God, dude. You just can't get, it sounds like somebody just ejacking out into just somebody just got stuck ejaculating, you know? What the f are you talking about?